Sir, in the public hearing that was held on the 8th of January 2022, the notice for public hearing was limited only to a select few. And the chaos had come because most of the people did not even know about the public hearings. So it tantamounts to chaos, it tantamounts to the fact that people assume that the government does not want to take all the people on board before this project is even thought of or is the land is even acquired, sir. Therefore, sir, I would request the department, sir, before any kind of project is brought, at least proper public awareness is brought in. At least we legislators also should know, sir, what the district administration and the department plans to do in our own area. We were caught unaware as the local representative of the area. I was also not informed, sir. And suddenly when chaos comes, everybody turns to the MLA and seeks their views and guidance. So, sir, such important projects, if they have to be set up in any part of the state, legislators should be brought on board. People should be informed properly. There should be proper public awareness, and then only, sir, people will get the confidence to people, then only such projects will be successful, sir. So therefore, sir, I would again plead with the government, sir, to kindly ensure that legislators are brought on board, people effectively are all brought on board, sir, before such projects are even thought of, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank for the important suggestion by the member. Point is noted by me.
Thank you, sir.
Bajas.